Hi everyone, today we're talking about the tag questions. My name is Ingrid Acosta. Okay, let's go. The tag questions used to ask for opinion, verification, approval, or response. Tag questions turn any statements into a questions. They are often to use for checking information that we think or that we know is true. Okay? Tag questions are made using an auxiliary verb, for example, be or have, and subject pronoun, for example, I, you, she, or they, we. Yes? Usually, if the main clause is positive, the question tag is negative, and if the main clause is negative, it's positive. For example, it's cool is positive, isn't it is the tag question negative. On another hand, we can see other sentence. It isn't cold is negative. Is it positive? Okay? Then, if it is an affirmative sentence, how I say it, we must answer in negative. But if the main clause has an auxiliary verb in it, you use the same verb in the tag questions. Yes? But we have one exception. The question tag after I am is aren't I. For example, I'm in charge of the food, aren't I? Yes, remember, when I use I am, the tag question is aren't I? Okay? Don't forget it. Examples. We have some examples about some positive sentences with negative tags. The first, present simple with be. She's Italian. Isn't she? The second, present simple with other verbs. They live in London, don't they? And the third one, present perfect. They've been to Japan, haven't they? And the last one, modals. He can't help. Can't help? Okay, yes. Right now we have some examples with negative sentence with positive tags. For example, present simple with verb to be. We aren't late. Are we? Yes. Present simple other verbs. She doesn't have any children. Does she? Present perfect. She hasn't eaten all the cake. Has she? Modals. They must not come early. Must they? Right now, can you show? We have some links that you can practice. It's easy and you can try to do that. Thank you for all. Okay, I hope this video has helped you understand our topic. See you. Bye bye.